Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Ishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today my topic is technology management. Let's go start. What is technology management? Technology management (MOT) is concerned with development, planning, implementation, and assessment of technological capabilities to shape and accomplish the strategic and operational objective of an organization or central planning goals and priorities of a nation. Technology management can also be defined as the integrated planning, design, optimization, operation and control of the technological products, process and service. A better definition would be management of the use of technology for human advantage. Technology management is set of management discipline that allows organization to manage its technological fundamentals to create uh, competitive advantage. What is technology management? The Associative of Technology Management and Applied Engineering defines technology management as the field concerned with the supervision of personnel across the technological spectrum and a wide variety of complex technological system. Technology management program typical include instruction, production and operation management, project management, computer application, quality control, safety and health issues, statistics and journal management principle. Typical concept used in technology management are technological strategy, technology forecasting, technological road mapping, mapping technologies to business and market need, technology project portfolio, a set of projects under development, and technology portfolio, a set of technology in use. What is technology management? Technology management is mainly carried out at two levels, and at national level at enterprises level. What is technology management? Technology management a plus national level. Main objective of is to ensure that the nation and its business firms gain sustainable technological competitive in the international market and maintain a strong position in the international business to long term basic. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.